بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدرك لعله يزكى ويذكر فتنفعه الذكرى أما من استغنى صدق الله العلي العظيم. Lecture number 32 for my favorite class. I should say all classes are favorite. Just I am telling favorite class because you are the junior class. The classes I am teaching, you are one of the, I think you are junior most class. In at least I am not teaching 7th and 8th class, so I will say you are the junior most class for me. Lecture number 32. And we are discussing the nucleus. We are discussing nucleus. I referred nucleus is the boss of the cell. I referred the nucleus is the brain of the cell. I referred the nucleus supervisor of the cell, the manager of the cell. Reason, because it consists of DNA due to this significant term which I was naming, the chromosomes. Chromosomes consisting of two important structures. One is the important structure, that is the DNA, and another structure which is present in the chromosome, that is the protein, and the name of the protein is the histone, and histone protein, which is very important. Due to folding of DNA, the DNA will be very long. How you will fold the DNA in the small space? That will be folded just because of the histone. I will tell about, histone is not written here, but I will tell you. I will tell you the unique nature of this protein histone. Just I want your attention now. Your ears must open now, because that is most important. The positive charge, the positivity of the histone, the positivity, normally, I should write this information, I think so. Look here. I am talking normally amino acids, normally all proteins are completely negative charge, net negative charge. It means that all protein mean which protein you have studied. You studied the actin. You studied the which protein you have studied? Tubulin. I taught you tubulin, which is composed of the which combined to form the microtubule. Which process I was naming when small molecule will combine to form the large molecule, water molecule will be released. Which chemical reactions I was referring? That was condensational polymerization. That was condensational polymerization. Yes, the condensational polymerization. Condensation in the sense because the water molecule will be released. And monomers in the sense because small molecules will combine to form large molecule, that is the polymer. So polymer is formed from the monomers. Monomers will combine to form the polymer. Water molecule will be released. That is the condensational polymerization. But here I am talking about the histone. Which structure I am explaining? The chromosomes. Sir, you are giving so much attention to chromosomes, and that is a little awkward for us, because chromosomes you must teach one time and leave that. You are naming again and again chromosomes. I tell you importance of chromosomes. Two importance of chromosomes. Number one, they consist of a gold. Oh yeah, don't write in the paper that is the gold. Don't write, don't give answers, that is a gold. I'm just telling a precious word. I'm just referring, I'm just giving a relatively, and I'm just giving example why it is gold, because that gold is DNA, due to which you are alive. You would like to die? No. You would like to die? No. Reason, because your DNA is present. So if you are alive due to DNA, so why we must not pay attention to the chromosome? Why we must not pay attention to histone, that is folding up the DNA? Why we must not pay attention to the nucleus? Why we must not pay attention to the molecules which are present in the chromosomes? That is the main reason I am paying attention to this structure, which is the chromosomes. So now I will verify the two structures which are present in the chromosomes. One by one I will verify. The first structure I am verifying, I will just hold on. Okay, chromosome consists of histone. What was the point I was talking about? You remember, all proteins are negative or positive collectively? All proteins are negative or positive collectively. What is your answer? Negative. Yes, you are right. So protein is the negative now. And the one type of protein in this universe of living thing, that is positive. That is positive. That is the only protein of the universe that is the positive. All proteins are negative and only one protein is a positive. That is called as histone. You got the idea? All unique things the nature gathered in the nucleus. That was the point. That was the significant point. So what happens? The chromosomes consist of two significant structures. One is the histone. One is the histone and one is the DNA. One is the DNA. And DNA, now I am using one another word I am using, and that you have to write in your copy. That is much important. That is not written here. I think so that is not written here. I just see that. I will search that word is written here or not. I am just searching that thing. I will show you these figures all later on. No, that word is not written. I have to speak now. Much significant words and word there. You have to see hereditary material. Hereditary material. I will spell now HEREDITARY. Hereditary material. Hereditary material. What is the hereditary material, sir? This word is important. Why hereditary material? What is the chromosome? Chromosome, once again I am going to same word which I am briefing. Why I am giving importance to chromosomes? It consists of DNA. It consists of significant protein, histone, and histone is a unique protein because all things are unique inside chromosomes, because chromosomes situated in the boss office. The boss office is always important. The manager office is always important. If you will open a company, if you are supervisor, so what you will do, you will manage the things properly in the office. You will use a portrait. You will purchase very good furniture, and you will say, sir, this is the supervisor office. This is the supervisor office, and supervisor look a little different from the staff. Reason, because you will show that you are superficial person. You are a superman because you are controlling a company. Similarly, chromosomes is a unique because that is situated in the boss office, that is situated in the nucleus, that is controlling all parts of the cell. So what is happening here? Chromosomes consist of the DNA and the histone, and I am further elaborating the DNA, and I use the word, which word I have used? That word I have used hereditary, capital H, material, hereditary material. Now this word I have to explain now. What is the hereditary material? The material, you are active now. I want your ears are listening this point. If you are tired, you are not listening, just close this clip and you on the clip later on, because that is the main point I am talking about now. About the nucleus, about the chromosomes. The main point I am talking about. What is that? The nucleus, the DNA, is hereditary. Is a hereditary material. Definition of hereditary material. You are ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? Okay. The material which is transmitted from the father to the son. The material which is transmitted from the mother to the son. The material which is transmitted from the one generation to the next generation. That is called the hereditary material. Do you think that you have some characters of the father and mother? Do you think your shapes even not 100% same but little a bit different than father? Do you guess that when anybody see you can guess he is the son of that father, because he just keep the shape of your father in the mind and just assess that you may be the son of that father, because 50% characters, your characters resemble the parent. Reason, because your hereditary material is coming from father to the son. So I will explain once again. This is a father, mean that father is the son, is this is the son. Son character resemble father, not 100%, not 100%, almost 50-60%, or you can say some other percent, because that is not a unique rule that which type of the percentage you are resembling the father. Some characters will resemble the father, some characters will not resemble the father. Some characters will resemble the father and some characters will not resemble the father. The characters which you will resemble the father, which is coming from the father to the son, that is the hereditary material. Yes, that is the point. So what is the hereditary material? The materials coming from the father to the mother, sorry, that is the wrong word, not father. From father and mother to the son or daughter, that material is coming, that is the hereditary material. Hereditary material. So it means that if you resemble some characters with the father, that is due to transfer of hereditary material from the father to the son. If you have some resemblance, your sister resembles the mother, you resemble the mother, you resemble the father, reason is that DNA transmitted only the thing. No, that is a much, I think, ending point about the chromosomes. About the chromosomes, that DNA only transmit. If you think which thing of the father comes into your body, that is a DNA. You understand my point? Only DNA of the father enters into your body. It means hereditary material move from one generation to next generation, and the next generation to the next generation. The 5,000 years back, the humans were which type of the levels of the humans were. That DNA shifted to our body after passing a lot of generations, from the one generation to the next generation, the next generation to the next one generation. So mean that the DNA is hereditary material. Simple as that. Now go back to the liquid which is present. Now I am going to tell you some the shape. First of all, the liquid I will tell you. This is the point. I will show you nucleus. That is a nucleus. If you are watching the shape is visible to you. That is the nucleus full structure, and one by one I will explain, because I did not explain some structures, I explained some structures, and I did not explain some structures. First of all, I will go to nuclear membrane. What I told at the start of the nucleus, some cells with nuclear membrane, some cells without nuclear membrane. Now you tell, sorry, here it is written nuclear envelope and you are talking about the nuclear membrane. I will tell you, nuclear envelope is also called the nuclear membrane. That is the same thing. There is no much difference. So nuclear envelope is called as a nuclear membrane. So nuclear envelope present, the nuclear membrane present. What is the name of the cell? What is the name of the cell when nuclear envelope present and nuclear membrane present? The eukaryote. When nuclear envelope is not present, that is called the prokaryote. That is the prokaryote. So mean two type of the cells which are present in the living thing. One is a eukaryote, one is a prokaryote. Eukaryote with the nuclear envelope, the prokaryote without the nuclear envelope, without the nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane present, the cell is eukaryote. So I think I am defining these two cells, because in the upcoming sessions I will open eukaryote, prokaryote in front of you for open discussion. Reason is that because these two cells are present in living thing. I will explain much about the eukaryote and the prokaryote in the next sessions. And one point about these two cells I told you, when nuclear envelope mean the nuclear envelope mean the membrane which is covering the nucleus. I made a rough shape of nucleus here. This is a nucleus, and these are the chromosomes which are present inside nucleus. This is a membrane, and some pores are present. These are the nuclear pores. These pores are very important because materials are transporting from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Now once again your questions are, where the cytoplasm come? You were teaching nucleus and once again the cytoplasm come. Where the cytoplasm, sir? We are confused. Just tell me location of cytoplasm. Okay ji, just hold on. I am telling you location of cytoplasm. Now this is the cell. This is the cell wall or cell membrane, because plant cell wall present, the animal cell wall is absent. I go back to central part, which is the nucleus. Clear? That is the nuclear membrane. What is another name of nuclear membrane? What is another name of nuclear membrane? Of course, yes, you are right, nuclear envelope. So nuclear envelope is present. Nuclear envelope is surrounding the chromosomes, and those chromosomes which are present inside the nucleus, and these chromosomes numbers I did not tell you. That is a most important also point. All points are important. That's why I am using this word, the most important, precious, important, because nucleus is the boss. So I cannot ignore any point, because all points are important for me and for you as well. Okay ji. You want me to tell the point importance due to chromosomes? Okay, I tell you. You will start weeping, because when I will tell you, you may be happy, you may be weeping. So if I will tell you, you tell me, you guess I should tell or not. You are not giving me answer, but I'm just I'm just hypothetically feeling that you want this answer or not. Okay, I tell you, you will be happy, yaar. No problem. Listen here. The 23 number of the chromosomes which are present, 23 pairs. Now tell me mathematically how many number of the chromosomes? 23 pairs. Of course, 23 multiplied by 2 equal to 46. So 46 number of the chromosomes present in the human body. In other words, I can say the 23 pairs of the chromosomes present in the human body. Don't confuse about this structure. Please don't see this structure. I am talking about this area in which chromosomes are present. This structure I did not explain yet. I explained this structure, nuclear envelope. I explained the chromosomes which are present in the blue area. How many chromosomes present in the human body? 23 pairs of chromosomes. Total number of the chromosomes in the human body, 46 number of the chromosomes. 46 number of the chromosomes present in the human body. So you will ask the question, sir, why you were studying that you will weep or happy? I will tell you, when if you will know that you have the 46 number of the chromosome or 23 number of the chromosomes, you will be happy that you are human. And if I tell you that if animal is told that is the 48 number of chromosomes or 56 number of the chromosome or 16 number of the chromosome, that is not human, that is something else. Now I will tell you, look here, I give you example by a very easy example, then I will finish this today's lecture. Look here, I have 4 societies. A society, living society in which lands are present, houses are made. Societies, you remember, just like Barrier Town, just like Jinnah Garden, or Capital Smart City, Blue World City, and in your areas also. One is a housing society, this is another housing society, this is the third housing society, this is the fourth housing society. You are getting on the screen visible everything, you can see that. Okay, now look here, I say these are 5 Marla's house. I say these are 8 Marla's house. It means this is a 15 Marla's house and these are the 20 Marla's house, right? So it means that 4 different type of houses are present in the 4 different housing societies. So when 5 Marla's house I will talk about, you will suddenly raise and sir, society number A. When I will say that 8 Marla house is present, you will say no sir, society number B. Similarly, I will say 1 canal at 20 Marla's house, you will say sir, society number D, C. It means that when I will say 46 number of chromosomes present in which individual, you will say individual, I am naming your living thing because individuals are humans. You will say, sir, human, we are human with 46 number of chromosomes. Amazing. When I will say 16 number of chromosomes, you will say, sir, onion. So when I will say you have the 16 number of the chromosomes, you will start weeping. Why you will start weeping? Sir, I am not onion, I am human body because I consist of 23 pair of the chromosome and I have the 46 number of the chromosomes. 23 pair of the chromosome are 46 number of the chromosomes. So number of the chromosomes will matter. That is the point. The number of the chromosomes will matter. The number of the chromosome will decide who you are. You are human just because of number of the chromosomes. 46 number of the chromosomes present mean you are humans, and if you don't have 46 number of the chromosomes, it means you are not the human, you are something else. You may be monkey, you may be lion, you may be any other animal. You should be thankful to creator that creator made you perfectly just like the human because you consist of 46 number of the chromosomes. I go back to the idea which I just wanted to share. Nuclear envelope, once again the nuclear envelope present, eukaryote, not present, prokaryote. This structure I have to explain. Nucleolus, that is a long story but very interesting also because this is the boss office. Remember, you are visiting the boss office, you are visiting the nucleus, you are visiting the supervisor. So definitely you have to enjoy because that is a boss office and you have some unique things inside the nucleus. Thank you very much. This is lecture number 32.